We have the very latest for you on the coronavirus. Tonight, time is really running out for people to get a COVID test before the holiday.
And people across the state are really having a difficult time finding tests or even booking appointments. This all comes as the state's positivity rate has spiked to one of the highest levels we have really seen in a while.
It now sits at nearly 9%, and here's a look at the latest numbers for you. In the past day, there have been 6,000 new cases.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Johnson spoke with a health expert tonight about what you can do if you still have not gotten tested. Sharon.
Well, Mark and Aaron, the timing is very important here. The health expert that I spoke with says you either need to buy a COVID test or get to a testing site as soon as possible.
We came here so we can go on a trip for Christmas.
Little Nathan and his mom came to this Albany Avenue testing site today in preparation for their trip to Guyana.
If I didn't get tested, then we wouldn't get to go on the plane.
Many people are getting tested as we inch closer to Christmas and as the Omicron variant spreads faster.
I'm traveling on Friday, so I figured I better come down, get tested as quickly as I could, just in case I come back positive, I can change my travel plans.
But getting a COVID test has been easier said than done. People have reported long lines, long waits, and fewer appointments to get the swab. Rapid home tests are also hard to come by, and people are running out of time. Dr. Anthony Santella with University of New Haven says people who want to be cautious should try their best to get a rapid home test.
To have you and whoever you're going to be around test yourselves the day that you're getting together, because the results really are only as good as the time they're being done.
He says the PCR tests are more reliable, but that means people will have to find an appointment as soon as possible, since it takes 24 to 36 hours for results to come back.
Something is better than nothing, but the PCR really is the gold standard test.
And when it comes to the gathering, the nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says those who are vaccinated and boosted should be okay.
We encourage people to enjoy the family setting with your vaccinated family and friends, but don't go to very large indoor congregates like these 50, 60 people parties.
And once again, Dr. Santella says that those rapid home tests are very good to use the day of a gathering. And he says the PCR test results may not come back before Christmas because of that long wait. He says if you have the time, you can still try the pop-up testing sites. That may be better to do than booking an appointment. Live in Cromwell tonight, Sharon Johnson, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.